So we have to talk about Pudgy penguins here. Inside of the video yesterday, we were actually talking about this and talking about how I thought that it was actually going to continue downwards yesterday, but no, I was wrong. We're going to talk about that today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Let's hop straight into it. So we are up currently 16% in the last 24 hours right now. The video yesterday, we were watching the percent R trend exhaustion here. And what actually ended up happening was this. So I was saying it was right around this point right here. I was saying the percent R trend exhaustion is looking a little bit weak. And if you look back here, you can see the short-term trend was all the way down there while the long-term trend was all the way up there. And I was showing what happened last time, but it did not happen the same this time. So yeah, that's what we got right there. But it is looking like we're going to have another rise in the price here. It's kind of looking like the short-term trend is going to do something like this, and the long-term trend only going halfway down, coming up here as the short-term trend comes back up. Hopefully they both continue upwards and not downwards after that, right? So that's just a possibility of what could happen. So I'm looking towards this support here down at 0.011. That's a good support base. So I think once we hit that level, we will be good. That was a good resistance area for us too. So I feel like if we were to bounce, we would end up bouncing at 0.0111. So that's pretty much what I'm watching out for now. And as for the MACD, you can see that selling pressure building up there. So yeah, we should have enough selling pressure to push us down lower. And then on the 4-hour chart, a little bit of weakness here, a little bit of a pullback. We want to see it pull back a little bit and continue upwards. We'll see what happens there on that 4-hour. Yeah, but other than that, you know, I think this is this might be a legitimate push upwards in the crypto market. So we're looking at the same thing here on the 30-minute chart. We should have the short-term trend coming back up, bringing the long-term trend back up a little bit with it. So that's kind of a similar thing on the hourly chart. So I'm hoping to see a little bit of a selling pressure to bring this down a little bit more, and then a continued upward rise up here. And if you look at this, this is actually crazy. If Pudgy Penguins pulls back to this support, just the pump from here to there is 10%. So Pudgy Penguins is moving fast right now. And let's say it goes all the way up here to 0.013. Now you're looking at 23%. So you can see how it can really change, right? And then same thing, if you look at this is right here alone is a 12% rise. And let's say if you didn't want to wait and you just bought in now, you're still looking at 18%. If it gets up to 0.013. So if Bitcoin continues upwards, this could be really profitable in Pudgy Penguins. It's actually moving. It's one of the fastest moving projects right now. Well, there's other ones that have moved up a lot, but as in trending, right? Because it's actually trending and it's moving up while it's like top trending right now. So this is the move in my mind, in my opinion. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at getting in on Pudgy Penguins, and I might get in at 0.011, but I don't know. I don't want it to continue down further, because that's just gonna, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I end up doing, but you gotta figure out what you want to do. But yeah, anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Hit the like button, all that good stuff. Subscribe, and as always, I'll be back with another video.